Why, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. This is going to be a review, 3,124. Yeah, last week I did 12 reviews, so that's 4 days of doing reviews with 3 reviews a day. I do 5, but my son has Wednesday off, so that's fine. I think a midweek break in reviewing like that, because that's a lot of work. But anyways, check this out. This came out of a Zen Pop box. This is the 40th anniversary Maruchan Kitsune Udon, Eastern Japanese flavored version. So it's kind of like, I think it's sweeter. And on the underside, see, why don't they do this in the U.S.? A couple places. I mean, I've seen it before, but in here's like all about it. And I think that's really rad, but unfortunately I don't read Japanese, but it'll be on the actual post when the review comes out, so that's cool. And so since this is usually in a bowl, I have heated up some water right here. I'll move it over so all you people who love to see things happen that are really not all that interesting happen can see that. And so here we start off with the noodle block going right in, the tofu block on top, the soup base, and the loose bits that were in there. Looked like kamaboko and maybe some tempura. And then we need to do that for, I think it's 3 minutes, pretty darn sure. And there it goes. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a tamp down here so the party can get started for it more easily. I know some of you are gonna be like, I don't care. And in my laboratory, this is perfectly legit. But why didn't you do? No. Hush. Okay, here we go. I tend to do this anyways, even if I'm doing something in a cup. Why? Because I like noodles to get done, and cups aren't always running on all thrusters, if you know what I mean. Oh, our music. Batteries were dying, I think, last time we hung out, and I updated the batteries. There we go. Yeah, I need some new music, really bad. Maybe Wednesday morning I'll pick up on some of that, but it's been busy. I mean, I've got, let's see, one video that's almost done that's got a rush on it, and then I've got tons of Chocolate Break. I've got, what, 3 episodes of Chocolate Break, and I want to get them out before Christmas, and I know it's after Christmas now for you, but yeah, so go over to www.thechocolatebreak.com or go over to YouTube and find The Chocolate Break. It's got its own channel now, so everything coming out is going to come out on that channel. So yeah, I might do I might like them or whatever through the playlist on the Ramen Rater channel, but they're not going to be uploaded on there anymore. I kind of want to make it a separate thing. So that's the deal. If you want to keep watching Chocolate Break, if you want to watch us, we did there's these chocolates sets you can get. They're called Merci. And we tried all those, and then we also tried the boozy chocolate bottles. They make bottles made of chocolate, like this tall, that have like salsa tequila, Jim Beam, Remy Martin, and Cointreau. And the Cointreau was horrible, but the Remy, that was where it was at. That was the best one of the bunch, I think. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, pretty cool videos that we did after a recent trip up to Canada that actually we did the day before yesterday. Now we have noodles in here that should be piping hot, ready to go. I mean, they've been around for 40 years. They should be pretty well done. Yeah. These are done. Look at this. It's called Kitsune Udon. That is fried tofu. And it's delicious. I like it. And so will you if you have the chance to sample it. Because I say you will. So, let's see what we got here. Let's slap that in. It's funny, I never watch these episodes once they're done because, well, A, they're pretty long usually, and B, I just don't freaking have time for it, yo. Here's these little dealies. They look like little crackers, but they're not. See that? Let's do that a try. It's gotta be tempura. And then this, for the crowd that likes to say, what are those little red and white or spirally things that are in there? They're made of plastic. They look like they're from some kind of Japanese toy. It's fish cake. And it's, at this point, more of a texture thing. And this is udon. Often you'll see udon in pouch form. I prefer that, but we'll see how this is. Not bad. And I think I still have to take the glamour shot. I'll just take a scissor of this and cover it up with something else. Just a little corner. Oh, come on, don't get lost. There we go. So yeah, that's fried tofu. Mmm, sweet. Literally, very sweet. And I'm gonna flip this thing over just for, there we go. Now, I don't think usually a lot is added to this, so I'm gonna go kind of lean. Let's do some sprouts. Onion. And I've got some shichimi I'll sprinkle on here. And do I really want to add anything else? I don't think so. I think we're good. Yeah, so there you are. Some Kitsune Udon. If you didn't know, Kitsune means fox in Japanese. And in English, I tried to do a really something funny there. Anyways, in whatever language, this is Hans, the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.